Chris, thanks. Well, 6:17, the New York Stock Exchange closes its trading floor, and unemployment claims are already spiking nationwide. Jane King is live at the NASDAQ with your Thursday morning business report. Very volatile, Jane.
Yes. It certainly is. And overnight, we've been all over the place. So we'll get to those numbers here in a second. But we are already starting to see unemployment numbers soar. We're getting the first look at these weekly unemployment claims. And these are starting to reflect the laid off restaurant and bar workers. So, for example, Michigan's unemployment claims were up 550%. Connecticut claims were 30,000 when they're normally 3,000. Now, the Charleston Post-Courier unemployment says that unemployment claims are spiking in South Carolina due to the coronavirus pandemic, but they don't have the actual numbers in yet. Those may come today. Well, Lending Tree found that 63% of Americans purchased supplies related to the coronavirus outbreak, spending an average of $178.44. This ranged from food and alcohol to medicine to cleaning products. The most popular purchases were food, cleaning products, and things like toilet paper. Now, parents with kids under 18 spent more than the average. And the New York Stock Exchange will temporarily close floor trading and move to fully electronic trading on Monday. That's after a trader and an employee tested positive for COVID-19. Stocks will still trade just electronically, so no human traders placing those trades on the iconic floor. We are seeing markets here this morning pointing to a lower start, believe it or not, down about $300 or 300 points at the open here today. So that was after a down day yesterday when we saw the markets close below 20,000. Live from the NASDAQ, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
Now, Jane, I have to ask, have you ever seen anything like this?
Oh, no. No. Not even close. I mean, this is, to drop like we have dropped with no bottom in sight, there's just no buyers out there. I mean, it's just, I think that this is kind of unprecedented in terms of stock. Maybe, 1987, but that kind of had an end. There's no end game here. And that's, I think, what's upsetting the market so much. Where does this end? Maybe when we get a vaccine, but then at what point, what kind of economic damage will we have at that point? How do we climb back out of it? So really troubling, and we just go day by day. That's all you can do, hour by hour.
A lot of uncertainty, and we're definitely in uncharted waters for sure. Jane, thanks so much. We'll check back tomorrow.
Oh,